and I lick it down. If it's a problem, I go to the bar and I shut it down. Get on my section, don't bother with lames. I'm watching these bunnies bounce. Shorty, you tan the rubber band, come on for the 100 pound. All of the talk, but don't run them out. I'm trying to be out. All around.